Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Kinesis data analytics samples step by step clearly. To download Amazon Kinesis data analytics samples, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the Amazon Kinesis service menu. In the Kinesis console, locate the Data Analytics section. Click on Data Analytics, which will direct you to the Analytics dashboard. Look for the Sample Applications section on the dashboard. You will see several sample applications designed to demonstrate various use cases. Choose the sample application that best suits your needs. Click on the name of the sample application to access its details. In the Details view, find the download link or button provided. Click on the download link to start the download process. The samples are usually in a zip file format, so ensure you have a suitable program to extract it. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the zip file you just downloaded and right-click on it. Select Extract All or use your preferred extraction tool to unzip the contents. After extraction, you'll find the Sample Application folder. Open this folder to view the provided resources and code examples. Refer to the README file within the folder for specific instructions on how to set up and use the sample application. You are now ready to explore the Amazon Kinesis data analytics samples. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.